Hey everybody, it's Coach Williams here. I'm back with another video. And what I want to demonstrate today is, I want to do an unboxing on this Max2. All right, Max2 360 camera from GoPro. I'm going to turn it on the side. I'm going to show you what comes in the box or what it has. It has 8K video, as you can see here, true 8K 360 video. I have a selfie stick, so I'll be demonstrating that. It also has the 4K 60 single lens recording. Replaceable lenses on here. 29 megapixel 360 shots, 360 photos, and then it's got the AK 360 maximum time warp. These are some of the settings that you can put it on. You have immersive audio. It's got 6 microphones. It also has object tracking, where you can set it where it just follows you as you walk around or whatever you're doing as you're going through your activity. It also has 4K reframe, and it has GPS, which GPS is really good because it's good to kind of know where you did whatever it is you did, where you recorded. It's waterproof down to 16 feet or 5 meters, and it has 10-bit color in 8K recording. So that's it. Those are some of the main features that this camera has. So right now, all I'm going to do is just kind of open it up and let's see what's inside. Okay, let's see what's inside. All right, so I like these removable lenses. I'll do a comparison. I have the other GoPro Max, the first GoPro Max, and I haven't used it in a while because my battery door was damaged and I didn't want to get it repaired. But I've been waiting on this one for a long time. So now it's here, and we're going to see what's inside. So you just pull the tab here. You take it out this way. Okay. Looks like it comes in a case. Comes in a box here. I'll just sit this to the side. Let's see what's inside. All right. So as I open it here, you'll see some, you got to update your camera before you get started. Gives you some instructions. If you don't have a subscription, I got $100 actually off of this camera on their website. So I was able to get $100 off because I have a subscription. Hey, 360 video files are very large, so it's a good deal for the subscription service. And also you get in the subscription service, which I will demonstrate or I'll show you, you get a replacement. You get a free replacement. So if you damage your camera, you can send it back to GoPro, and they'll fix it and send it back. You also get this lens wipe. You definitely need that. And I'll set these other things to the side. Now we even got some GoPro stickers, if you want to put them somewhere and let a person know that you're demonstrating there. And then here's some cold weather. It talks about the cold weather performance and situations, things like that. And then we got the product questions. And so we'll just set all this stuff to the side. Now you get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C for charging. One thing I like about GoPro is all their mounts are universal, and I got so many because I've had so many different mounts. Here's this new battery that they're talking about that lasts so long. So, it's got the new battery technology where the battery lasts a lot longer than they used to. So it's an upgraded battery. I forget how many, says on here that it has. I forget now. But anyway, I'll post it when I get that think it's a 1900 milliamp battery or something. Here's another GoPro mount. And like I said, I got so many, I have so many different GoPro mounts too. This is just going to fall right in place. This one is for your helmet mount. See how it's curved right there? You can put that on top of your helmet and it'll stick, and it's got that good that 3M adhesive. And you'll also get this screw, and you see that in there. I can't get it out. My fingers are too big. But this is what I'm looking to see about, and that is this camera here. I got to pull it up like this, or either I would have to dump it out. So let me just move this over out the way, and let's see what this thing looks like. Well, first of all, it looks like it's smaller than the other GoPro. It's smaller than the GoPro, the old GoPro. And you know, in 2025, they had I don't know what they called it, a refresh, a 360 refresh. I almost bought it, man, and I'm glad I didn't, because I kept waiting and waiting and waiting for them to simply just put this new one out, and now I have it. It says that now I got to update it, so I'll do all of that. Man, it's pretty simple. The form factor is definitely really simple. It's got this this universal type mount where you can, it's about 3 different mounts. That is strong. As you, on some of these 360 cameras, you squeeze those 2 teeth together like that, and you can, this is pretty darn strong. It's made built like a little truck, as a matter of fact, okay? And it says you got to update your camera before you can use it. So I'll put the battery in, and once I put the battery in, I'll come back and I'll do an extensive video and just kind of let you see how the footage looks and things like that. So I'm getting ready to go on vacation, so I know I'll be able to use this because it's just so compact in your hand. I'm really feeling that. All right, so now here you see these lens caps. They snap on tight. Now it's probably hard to keep up with lens caps. I never could keep up with my other ones, but anyway, these, the way they fit on here, I'll just have it in my pouch and I'll be able to. And this is where your battery goes here, guys. So I'm going to put the battery in right now. And like I said, it tells me that I have to update. The camera. Okay. It's got a touch screen on the back where you can change your settings, and it doesn't even have oh, I just noticed it doesn't even have a screen on the front. And the reason why you really don't need a screen on the front is because when the 360 camera, when you, however you put it or whatever, it is recording everything around you. So, you know, you don't have to wonder whether or not you're in the shot. You know you're in the shot. You just have to reframe the video or reframe the photo in post after you take the shot or after you film the video. And the only thing I don't have is I don't have those quick releases that GoPro puts out. So they got something called a quick release, and I'll have to get me some quick releases, but I got some different type of releases that I use for my cameras. All right. So just thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll bring you some footage so you could just see. I actually have a Insta360. I kind of had started working with Insta360 cameras, and because I just like the way they function. So I have an Insta360 X4, I think it is, and I at least can do a comparison on that. And I don't think this camera is going to be any match for the Insta360 X5, but I just like how compact it is. Got a little weight to it. Feels like a little truck. So it's supposed to be durable. I could be confident if I put this on top of my car, I mounted it to a magnet or something. That's probably all the sports I'm gonna do. Maybe ride my bike every now and then. I can get some footage, but I need it mostly for using it for my training videos. So that's what you'll see me using this for. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.